right now, when I first woke up this morning and I looked at the chart, there was something important that I saw, which was this. We are holding above the value area high of the range that we have broken out of, right? If anybody is unfamiliar with what a value area high is, I will quickly explain it to you so that you understand what's happening. Because one of the things I used to hate the most when I was trying to follow technical analysis on the good old interweb, right? People would be throwing out these terms and I didn't know what they were talking about. I had no idea what they were talking about. And so here's what it is, just in case anybody doesn't know. Just bear with me, because at one point you didn't know either, and it pissed you off as well. So, what we got going on right here, and actually, let me do this better. What we have going on right here is basically we're analyzing the volume of a trading range, where price has been ranging from this high down here, and this low down here, back up to the high, back down to the low. You can see it, right? To the high, to the low, to the high, to the low, to the high, to the low, to the high, and back down to the low. That's the question. And you can see here there's some candlesticks on the range, and some of them are highlighted and some of them are dark. The highlighted ones are telling us this is considered locally a fair value for the price of Bitcoin. As long as Bitcoin is trading within this range, it's considered fair value. If it comes above the range, it's considered overbought. And usually it means we're going to have some kind of correction. You can see we come out of the range, and we come right back down. We come out of the range, we come right back down. We come out of the range, we come right back down. If we can break out of the range and hold above the range, like what we've been doing right here, this is a very bullish sign of strength. Why? Because it's showing that Bitcoin is trying to create a new value area, a new range where it's considered a fair price. And so if we can break out of an old range and start taking a high
Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Thank you for coming on in, sharing your most precious asset with me, and that is your time. You're here with the Crypto Lifer. Yes, the title was right. Yes, I made money in my sleep. I was asleep. I woke up to money. It's a pretty good feeling. And I did it with technical analysis. The TA showed me the way, and I could show you the way every single day. Coming through with cryptocurrency, passive income, decentralization. We'll show you how to get that bread. We'll show you how to bank that coin like at the Crypto Lifestyle. Shout out to all my peoples, man. Shout out to my man Francis at the Crypto Lifestyle. Shout out to all my peoples across the globe. Shout out to all my peoples out there in the world. Thank you for coming on in, sharing your life with the Crypto Lifer. I appreciate it. I appreciate it. Yes, I was up till 2 a.m., 3 a.m. trading. Yes, I woke up at 7:50 and then tutored someone till 9 a.m. from 8 to 9. And yes, I then meditated, watered my glass, got my things ready. And yes, I'm ready to go. Yes, I probably look pretty tired, but I'll take a nap at one point today. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Thank you for coming on in, sharing your most precious asset with me, and that is your time, guys. That is your time. Fiat leak. You see the money pouring into cryptocurrency. Bitcoin flying in there. Cardano flying in there. And come on, now you know Amazon's going to have to take Cardano. The future is cryptocurrency. If you don't bend to the future, you're going to get burned. Just like the future was Amazon. If you didn't bend to Amazon, you were going to get burned. Amazon now knows what it needs to do to stay on top. It doesn't want to become Blockbuster, I'll tell you that right now. So, yes. Shout out to everyone here on the YouTube. Appreciate you guys. What's up, Lifer? Shout out to Jason Malik. Here we go. It's Lifer time. DJ Lifer. I love this track. Haha, Lifer DJ. Stock market red today. Hope everyone is having an awesome day. Morning Lifer, clock counting down right to the beat. Why are all these crypto coins going to Kansas? They should go to Boston. I don't know. Let's take a look at what happened in the markets as I show my entire life. Okay. Last night, I got into this trade at 1:57 a.m. I got into this trade at 2 a.m. I got out at 7:50 and 4 a.m. Look, this one took 2 hours to make $227 in my sleep. I passed out. This trade went to a T. Let me show you the trade. Let me show you why I took the trade. Let me show you how I gave it to the Patrons. If you pay $100, look, you could have made $200 in your sleep off of $2,500. That would have paid for the Patreon right there while you were sleeping. Bam, bam, thank you, ma'am. So stay tuned for more. I'm going to teach you how I did that. I'm going to teach you how I make money in my sleep. And look at my last, look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, or even 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 18 trades. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 losses. See what I'm saying? 5 losses in 18 trades. Ayo, that's how you make money. If you can win 13 of 18 trades, you're going to be a very profitable trader. I'm telling you that right now. You're going to be a very profitable trader. Okay? I've noticed his style is much different from the others. Love it, Trent. That's right. People, come on and smash that like button. Reset RSI across the board. It's time to set them higher highs. Let's set a record on this channel today. 1,000 likes. Have a look at Revo, guys. Hot NFT gaming with a supply of only 21.8 million. Dude, what a small supply. That's a good idea. I need to take the day off from one of my jobs and schedule a session with the Lifer already. Honestly, the $100 you use, you'll end up making more money. Still paying for a 19K Bitcoin. I don't know. What's up, fam? Hope you said thank you. Yeah, I woke up this morning. First thing I said was thank you. Thank you for my legs. I woke to the bathroom and I did not have to use a wheelchair. Man. RIP to Blockbuster for sure. What's going on with the comments? The last comment I said was Kansas. It seems like it's been the same comment for the last 10 minutes. What is going on with the viewers? What is up? I haven't even taken a look at the stream. How's the health of that stream? How's the likes? What are people doing out there? Are we getting out there? Are people getting bored on a Tuesday? Gotta push out. Bitcoin's looking like it's about to get a bounce. We'll take a look at that too. Bitcoin to 5 million. I believe Bitcoin will go to $5 million. I'm with Crypto Banter. And Amazon denies adoption. Amazon just wants the news to come out when they want the news to come out, not when someone else spews the news about them. Trust me, they're going to have to go into cryptocurrency. That's not FUD. They didn't FUD cryptocurrency. Okay, 65 people watching, 42 likes. It's a little strange. Usually we have way more people watching by now. Greetings, fam. Hi, lifer from UAE. Let's keep up the high energy going. Let's do it. So how did I make money in my sleep last night? Let me show you how I did it. And let me show you how I gave the call to the Patrons. Well, last night I'm looking at this. Number one, I made this call. I looked at the 1 minute, inverted head and shoulder. Highly likely it would break to the upside. Falling wedge, highly likely it will break to the upside. Yeah, we're back in here in the spot. Shout out to Alexander Gustav. Shout out to Aiden, Equal High Lifers from fam. Greetings, fam. Shout out to Crypto Greg. Shout out to Mr. Smurfington. Shout out to all my peoples, man. And so when I see that Bitcoin's bullish, I go look for USDT pairs. So I was busy last night for my peoples looking for some calls, getting it busy. And I was up till 2 a.m. searching the charts for you guys, working 110%, 16 hours a day, no days off, no breaks. Booked talk to you Friday the 6th at 3:30 your time. Okay. Guys, I come in rooms and people think I'm talking to them. I am never talking to you. If you think I'm talking to you, you think you're that important. I'm sorry to be rude, but when I come in a room like this morning, I came into the beginner's room, right? And I said, lifers don't play. Either teach someone else or get lost. All about the beginner here. And then the beginner was like, but I'm a beginner. Like, he thought I was talking to him. Like, why would I ever tell a beginner to get lost? Like, the point of the story is it's either teach people, right? Or don't live that type of life. Like, my thing is I want to be around people that teach other people. That's the idea. That's 100% the idea. You know what I'm saying? So I don't want him to think people get crazy. They get like, it's funny, bad. Yeah, but don't take everything I say personally in the rooms. I'm never coming at one person. Sometimes someone will say one thing, I'll jump in. They'll think I'm talking to them. Trust me, no offense. You're not that important. I'm looking at my whole group all the time. I'm not pinpointing just one of my Patrons and pointing you out. So like, it's just funny because I'll jump in the room and I'll say something and someone will think I'm talking to them. And I'm like, it's not you, bro. It's the whole group, man. I'm always talking to the royal group as a whole. All right. So shout out to my man Nick, dude. I guess I have harsh language, but I mean well all the time, man. So look, we nailed Bitcoin. It went up to the upside. We nailed it. And then we nailed a bunch of other trades. Let me show you how many trades we actually hit because it was pretty sweet. Last night was actually a pretty sweet time to be alive in the crypto lifer space. All right. As we get quiet. Why is it so quiet? I always have 100 windows open, and it's always hard to track what the heck I'm doing. Everyone can kind of deal with that, right? All right, hold on. Oh, here it is. Stop. Check it out. All right, now you're not going to load, even though you were there 5 times on a row. All right. 35% on AXS. Bam. This is last night, dude. This is all in one night. 13% on TCT. Bam. 2 hours, right? 5 hours. I made it in 2 hours. I didn't know I woke up, so I guess it happened in 2 hours. 7% in 5 hours on Engine Coin. 35% in LTO. And we nailed the Bitcoin trade. So this all happened last night. Just absolutely dominated the calls. And there was even more calls than this played out. But I just tried to find as many as I could that played out. Dude, super active, super pumping it, getting it moving. And join the Patreon if you want gains like that. They're coming in every single day. I put you in the most profitable trades possible. I am working super, super hard to make sure that you guys get paid because I want to make sure other people can experience what it's like to make money in their sleep just like me. All right? I don't want to keep the success to myself. I want to spread the love, man. And I show my actual trades, my real money, right? Yesterday I put $7,500 into the Bitcoin trade. Sold the top at 67.19. Unbelievable. How did I sell the top? Stay tuned for that. I'm going to show you how I sold the top on Bitcoin, what indicator I used, the cool little way that I did it, and you can figure out how to get busy. Dude, I love this, man. People with their screen, people doing their thing. Shout out to you, Nick. I love you, bro. Unbelievable. Yeah. Shout out to Nick F, man. Appreciate you, brother. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Thank you very much. I like looking at the setups. I like looking at the monitors. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Okay. We're going to get into brass tacks. We're going to give you a Bitcoin. We're going to look at Bitcoin, see what's happening. What are we going to do with Bitcoin? Well, we already had a call out for Bitcoin this morning. I've been tracking it throughout the day, and let's see what happened with this Bitcoin call. Came up, fell right down out of the pattern. Was about to pump, pumped up nicely, dumped up nicely. That's why you raise the stop, raise the stop, raise the stop, and then get kicked out. That should have been a profitable trade no matter what. No matter what. Again, I don't like to scalp the 1 minute too much. It is what it is. But look at this beautiful cup and handle forming on BTC. I mean, that's a cup and handle if I've ever seen one on the 1 minute. Let's take a look at how this evolves onto a bigger time frame. If you don't know about me, you know about my cup and handles. I've made a killing playing the cup and handle. It's my favorite pattern in the world. It's basically just a long consolidated bowl with a beautiful wedge at the end, and it's ready to rock. You skill it from the bottom of the bowl to the top of the bowl, and it usually gives you a very large target out of the cup and handle. There's like 40% gains almost every time out of a cup and handle. This would get us back above 40K. I would really be excited for this move to the upside, okay? Let's take a look at the 1 hour. What do we see? Okay. Well, we already had our fun. Kind of called the pump last night out of this falling wedge, right? So we were in a falling wedge. You can see this is the pump that I called here. This is the falling wedge right here that I called. See, it was in the falling wedge, we broke on out. That was the same wedge, inverted head and shoulder, we broke on out. So what I did is I looked at this and I went small ball, super small ball with it, and looked at what I saw going there. All right, so you can see that there's the cup and handle there on the 1 hour too, even though it's not the best to see. So what do we see now? Well, we're gonna have to reset on the 1 hour. Okay. That's what we want to see. So now I go to like the 15-minute. And are we going to flag out, stay in this long period? We'll see. So there's two ideas for BTC right now. And this is how I track it. And I track it very well. And this helps me immensely. We're either going to go like this, or we could even make a sideways pennant. We don't know yet. We're going to watch which way this wants to fly. Whichever way it picks out, you know. It's either going to... And then you look for support and resistance. Okay, so now you go back to the 4 hour and you start setting your support and resistance lines. So you can understand where Bitcoin really wants to flow. Strong support of 36K. As long as we hold above 36K for this week, that's all I care. So as long as the week closes above 36K, that's it. That's my only wish for the next couple days, you know, up until Sunday will come here before we know it. So as long as by Sunday we stay above 36K, I even said as long as we make a higher high above 29, like we could close at 31, 32. Anything that closes above this low is a higher low, which is a move in the right direction. It is an uptrend move. 4 hour about to get a golden cross as well. That's telling me something is brewing for BTC. Already right off the bat, 4 hours forming a bit of a flag as well. Whether you realize it or not, yes, it is. So look at that. It's a good sign. And the 4 hour's ready to rock. So we need to wait for the 1 hour to come back to the downside. So this is what I see happening. Here's your Bitcoin prediction. No trade for Bitcoin right now. Usually I give you a trade. There was a scalp on the 1 minute. I'd halt all trading right now on Bitcoin, just kind of looking at it. I think it's going to go through some chop. Not a lot of risk-reward ratio there. Each trade won't render enough for the risk, so I leave it alone for a second. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Thank you for coming on in. Appreciate you guys. Okay, 103 people watching, 60 likes. Come on, guys. 60 likes, 103 people watching. For those on the fence of tutoring, had mine yesterday. Well worth it. You will see what's up immediately. Shout out to Jason Malik. Appreciate you, man. For those who are on the fence of tutoring, I had mine yesterday. Well worth it. You will see what's up immediately. And I'm going to put that into the testimonials. Guys, I have a testimonial room. Every little bit helps for me because I can collect these later, put them on a website, do whatever I need with them. And they help out a lot. So I'm going to put the link right here to the testimonial. I'm going to slap it into the comment section. Jump on in there, guys. Please lace me with testimonials. If you feel happy, like what you just wrote there, rewrite that nice and neat right here if you can. I'll take a picture of it and I paste it in there. But yeah, any little bit helps, man. Any little bit helps. Awesome. So cool. 108 people watching on the live stream. Can we get the likes up to the watchers? I want 100 likes. I want 100 likes, man, or I don't give you the awesome trade that I was about to give you guys. About to give you an amazing trade, but I want 100 likes. I want 100 likes for the trade. I want to make a deal. I want to make a trade right now. I want to trade 100 likes for an amazing trade. What do you guys think? Look at my track record. Look at the last 100 videos that I've put out. Look at how many calls I've made. Look at how many people have made money off of my calls. Look at how many people have lived a better life due to me showing up every single day. So if you can help me out, I'd really appreciate it if you gave me 100 likes. If you don't get 100 likes, you don't get the amazing call, and I can just go golfing for the rest of the day. I got a golf and tea time at about 1 o'clock. I'm ready to rock, right? So if you could give me the 100 likes, I'd really greatly appreciate it. Let's do a deal, huh? You give me a like, I give you free trades. It works out pretty sweet, right? A like doesn't even cost you anything. It costs you just a little bit of information. Hey, Sam, I made big money off AMP and took profits. How about a re-entry point? Thanks. Lifers to the moon. Crypto Greg, appreciate you, brother. 72 people watching. All right, I'm out of here. I'm going to call it a day. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Thank you very much. I appreciate it. I'll see you on the next live stream. I'm out. Peace. If I don't get 100 likes, I'm out for the day. I'm done. I'm not doing this anymore. I'm done, man. I'm done. I see 110 people watching there. There's 30 people playing games. I'm out. I'm going to go golfing for the day, guys. Can't take this stuff anymore. I'm not getting abused. People say I'm begging for likes. I have a wife and kid, dude. I have a wife and 2 kids. When I don't get likes, the video doesn't get shown. People don't join the Patreon. I don't make money. I don't give a damn about the likes. I'm not some young 12-year-old trying to get likes. I'm a grown man with a business trying to freaking survive. If you could hit the gosh damn like button when I get up to 110 viewers and there's freaking 80 people not hitting the like button, I don't get it. I'm about to show you how to make money in your sleep. I have proof of it. I'm showing you how I do it every single day. All you have to do is hit the gosh damn like button. It's simple, okay? I do this for free for years. All I'm asking is for a freaking 100 likes. Like, what the hell is wrong? Like, to me, I wonder, what is going on in some of these people's heads? You know? Look, I need one more like. There we go, 100 likes. Let's get the show going. All right. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Thank you for coming on in. Appreciate you hitting the like button. I will demand the likes, man, because I know it's worth it. My value is just go out on YouTube and find somewhere else. You won't get free trades. Just won't get them. So check it out. This is what's about to happen for BTC. All right, let me show you. And I am human. I am a human. So check it out. The pattern will stay in the pattern until it does not, okay? So, I wouldn't get into a trade right now. The 1 hour is extremely high. We'd wait for the 1 hour to maybe double top, come on down here, and then it's going to come to this section. Now, we're going to look at support and resistance lines, see if we have anything that could come into play that could help us out inside of this pattern, okay? And that's why you need to make your support and resistance lines right off the bat extremely important, okay? Right there, right there, right there, and right there. I just know what I deserve, and I know what I deserve, and I know what my worth is, man. I know what my worth is. You know, I know what my worth is, and I don't I don't work for a boss that don't pay me, right? You get it? I need the likes. Pay me the likes, and I'll pay you. It's a simple exchange. So look at this. Breaking to the upside. I see this coming back down on the 1 hour. When the 1 hour resets, that's going to be my money time. So I'm going to put an alert right here. I'm going to right click this, add an alert to that. And now I got an alert right here at the bottom area. All right. Just taught you something right now that you could use later on in life to create money. All right. That alert right there will help you make money right off the bat. So the alert right there, boom, price comes down to the bottom and we blast up to the upside, right? Thank you very much to everyone. Get the like button. I really appreciate it. Shout out to everyone here. Yeah, it's called supporting your peers, people. Yeah, Gustav. Wow. Yo, you deserve the likes, man. Yo, you know us lifers love the video. Back in business. Take it easy, man. The likes will come by themselves. He's true. Century likes here. Love this guy. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. So look, up and down, up and down. That's your low point here. I'd like to see us break off some type of support region. And, you know, I see it right here. This is what I'm looking for. Like right about there. I even have a candle right there that closes. Candles right there. We got a bit of a range. So that tells me that when we reset on the Stokes, we're going to be bouncing off of support. And I'd like to see that. So I'm projecting already that Bitcoin will be bouncing to the upside. It's going to take till like 6, 7 tonight for Bitcoin to come back to the down. And then it's going to be ready to rip. I think our USDT pair is going to be ready for another night of trading coming on. Support the lifer no matter what. Yo, Sam, why so many dislikes? What did you do? Don't worry, man. What did you do? So check it out. Moving forward. So now I see that this is a good pump to the upside. You know what it is? It's my wife and kids, man. I got a wife and kid. Like I'm so sick of this game, you know, that people play on YouTube. Like, this is my business, man. This is what I do for a living. I'm not like, this isn't some game. I'm not some rich kid with a daddy paying me. I was on a night shift. I busted my ass every single day. And now I give you guys trades every single day. Guys, we made money in the sleep last night while I was sleeping. All right. And I'll show you exactly how we did it. I also sold Bitcoin at the exact top. I'll show you how I sold Bitcoin at the top too if you want to check that out as well. So stay tuned for more. And I'm keep you guys updated every single day with cryptocurrency and value. Awesome value every single day. So let's take a look at AXS and why we got into AXS. A lot of people said it couldn't keep going. A lot of people said it was, you know, why? And you know what? It can keep moving to the upside. Look at this. As it bounces off support and continues to the upside, 35% gains and now more. Really no reason to leave the trade right now, as you can consider a little high on the 1 hour though. I would take my money when it hits previous high. I take my money. I would take my money right there, right? I would definitely take my money right there at the previous high, because you know what? It always gets rejected at the previous high. It's going to come back down. So if you're in this trade, great time to take some money. Great time to take some profits out of AXS. Even the 4 hour, it may go up a little more. Telling you though that it may struggle, go sideways. We nailed this trade. We gave you the trade. Unbelievable trade. Beautiful trade. AXS banging on them, right? Up 45% now. AXS, man. So another game, another gem that we gave you. We gave you the trade last night. If you're on my Patreon, I was past 11 p.m. West Coast last night on the Patreon making money off the posted trades. Thanks for all your hard work. I know, right? Thank you very much. I appreciate you, man. So check it out. Check it out. So check it out. Moving forward. So check it out. So this boom to the upside. So check it out. Moving to the upside, Axies, we gave you the call. I'm going to show you how we gave you the call, what we talked about, and how you receive the call if you join my Patreon. Check it out. If you join my Patreon, I'm looking for the call, and you can even search calls. Like if you want to know, okay, what is he going to say about this coin? It's pumping, right? Adjustment to the Axie call right here. Bam. Longer stop loss position. And we gave you the trade last night, right? We gave you the trade yesterday. Yesterday at 1:32 p.m. in the afternoon. And this thing blasted to the upside. I'm back. What did I miss? I'm also seeing jackpot and Elron. For sure, man. For sure. So, I can see Axis moving to the upside, right? It hit this high, had to break the high, came back to the support and bounced again. I would still be taking my profits out of it, you know, because it's going to go sideways again. Or even if it comes up here, it'll probably come back down again. But another trade we gave you in the Patreon, banging on them. Banging on less than 24 hours, making 30 to 40% gains in the Patreon. Just saying, man. We do it every single day, and we give you proof of it every single day. All right. Please, super chats for requests. Okay, let's take a look at what's happening in the comment section. I was up past 11 West Coast time. I'm back. Dumb Zoom call. Bro, I want to bake cake for staking purposes. I want to buy cake. That's a good idea. Those are fake livers. The real ones are here. Yep. I followed you a day ago, and you make great stuff, bro. Shout out to Nicole Powell. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Appreciate you guys. Super chats for them deep dives. Point out the ones who hit the dislike. I want to talk to them, right? Shout out to everyone here on the live stream, man. Being limited to 50. Hey, I'm a human being. A human being makes mistakes. I'm not a perfect person. Don't expect me to be perfect, and don't hold me to be perfection. Just never going to happen. Let's take a look at Santa right now. Santa about to break to the upside, looking really beautiful. Right? You can see it's already starting to break out of its rising wedge, and it's going to go towards its target. Very simple. Also in a bit of a cup and handle, ready to rock. Dude, this is cup and handle season. We see cup and handles absolutely everywhere. They are all over the place. They are all over the place. Let's take a look at the cup and handle. Bam, like that. And you know that is a very nice, beautiful target. Sand in the cup and handle, 4 hour ready to rock. So, how would you play this? What would you do? Well, I'd wait for the 1 hour to reset, and then I would jump on into this trade and pump it to the upside. Looking very, very sweet, to say the least. So long position, somewhere in this area. It may change depending. That's why you got to learn how to trade, because nothing is temporal. Nothing is set in stone for sure. You got to continue to add to the idea as you move forward. Okay, look. This is a beautiful cup and handle. Let me bring that MACD down. Let me bring that RSI down. I was tutoring this morning, so I like to open up the oscillators and get down to brass tacks. Okay. So look at this. Booming to the upside, 72% with an 18% loss, right? This is a nice trade. 3.94 to 1 risk reward ratio. Yeah. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Thank you for coming on in and sharing your most precious asset with me, and that is your time. Can you look at Multiverse? I missed the pump, but will there be another one? We'll take a look at Multiverse AI for you, little Smitty, for sure. Let's take a look at Multiverse AI. Multiverse. Another, you look at NANO popping now after the bounce. Came up, came down, came up again. NANO booming 12% in 5 hours. Beautiful trade for NANO. Also, this is a good idea for mining BSC pad in cake setting. Lifer doesn't look like himself today. Looks tired. Maybe that's the problem with YouTube account. Really affected him. No, man. I traded till 3 in the morning, giving my Patreons trades. I'm not. You're ridiculous. Look, we made money. That's why I'm tired. Fools. Fools, man. Look, I'm up till 1:14 a.m. giving you calls. 1:45 a.m. I'm up trying to make sure you make money. Bitcoin possibly getting bullish. I had to make this call at 1:54 a.m. to make the trade. Engine, I had to be up at 2:12 a.m. to make the trade. TRB, right? So if you really want to work this market, if you want to make money, right? That's why you guys pay me, because I work harder than everyone else that you would ever meet. Lack of sleep, it does not matter. I'm here for you guys every single day, and I know what I'm talking about. Tired of making money, never that. Exactly. So I was up till 3 in the morning giving calls. So Braccio Blade, appreciate you, man. I'm tired, man. I'm tired. It is what it is. I am tired. All right? I admit it. I'm a human being. I'm tired. I work very hard. And that's why I just want a like. Can a man just get a like? And then I hurt the stream because now we only have 109 people watching and we used to have way more people watching. So I agree. So maybe I'm in. Oh, man. Can you pay in crypto for the group? You can pay in crypto for the group. Email cryptolifers@gmail. Cryptolifers@gmail. You do have to pay for 3 months. We'll give you a 10% discount, $270 for 3 months. I guess you could try to pay for one. Talk to my wife. Maybe you can sweet talk her and she'll get you in for a month. But I personally like you to pay for 3 months because I don't want to have to chase after people every single month for their crypto payment. It's a lot easier to just send $270, call it a day. Also, the 3 months is going to help you. 1 month is right? Like, you want to be in the group for at least 3 months. Proud Patreon. Well worth it. Thank you very much, Will Rojo. Appreciate it. Can confirm I was up late taking those calls and getting paid in my sleep. Shout out to Mr. Smurvington. That's what you got to do if you want to make it in this game. So we gave multiple calls. All right. We also gave another call. LTO. Why did I like LTO? I said nobody talks about LTO. It doesn't get any love. I said it's in this cup and handle here. Inverted head and shoulder as well. Shoulder, head, and shoulder. I said it's probably about to break to the upside. Position yourself down here on the breakout. Stop loss below the 200-day moving average. This is a really good time to trade too. Whenever you get the price moving across the 200, it gives you a really good position. Yeah, I'm just worried with our beloved lover. That's all. Oh, come on, man. Jesus. So don't make... Shout out to everyone here on the live, man. So 35% gains popping up. This was another one. This one went up even more. I mean, if you had hit the top, if you had sold the top hot, 61% gains on LTO. I mean, that's getting up there. Beautiful call, beautiful gains for LTO. Pumping to the upside. Nailed the target. Another beautiful trade. Nailed it. So thank you guys, all my crypto lifers. Appreciate each and every single one of you for sticking with me every single day and watching the calls pump into the system. And it has been a crazy week. I mean, like, YouTube stole my channel and gave it back. Like, it's been an insane week, man. It's been an insane week. Absolutely insane. So, too much of my... See, like, this is not what you... Hold up. I just like calling out fake people. I'm going to call out fake people. I like calling out fake people. All right? And this is fake to me. All right? This guy goes, Lifer doesn't look like himself. Looks tired. Maybe that problem with YouTube account really affected him. Too much emotions. That's a left-sided compliment. Like if you said that to me to my face, you probably wouldn't say that to my face. You know, I don't think so, right? And then he goes, oh, but we like you. Oh, come on, man. You're a fake person. Like, I don't like fake people, man. I don't mind calling out fake people either. Rev pumping up to the upside. Let's take a look at Rev booming. And look what it is. It's in a beautiful cup and handle. Look at this. Beautiful cup and handle. Breaking to the upside. This is about to do some damage. This is just getting started. I'm telling you right now, this is just getting started. So, what do? Well, you wait for the 1 hour to go sideways or make a move. You're champs. I appreciate your hard work for the people. A toast to you. Shout out to Christina Lopez. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Thank you for coming on in. Thank you for coming through. Please comment, like, and subscribe. Hit the like button. Love the straight shooting. So look at this. Look at this. Come on, man. Sometimes it's hard for someone's tone to be conveyed in the chat. Give them the benefit of the doubt. Maybe they're worried. Nah, that was rude, man. Come on. Too much emotions? That's rude. You don't say that to somebody. You don't say that to a grown man. Any man knows you don't look at a man and say you're being emotional. Like that's the first way you insult a man, like right off the bat. Like it's so funny. But anyway, check it out. So Rev is about to break to the upside. I like what we're seeing here. Probably come back down to this retest and bounce up. You see what I'm saying? And bounce to the upside. So look. %, if you really, just to be safe, you could put the 18%, or you could come back up to support and resistance. Now let's break it down. Now I break down support and resistance. Most important thing to me. Or they're all important. Everything has its place in cryptocurrency trading, in any type of trading. And guys, everything you learn here, you can use later on in life, for the rest of your life, in Forex, in the regular stock market. You name it. You'll be able to do it. I mean, this thing's about to crack that local high. I always think the guy was just trying to help. Maybe just choose the wrong words. BSC mining from the cake. Stake it. That is a good decision. My favorite crypto channel. Interested to know. Also trade with your own money for more income. Always trade with my own money. Have you smashed the like button? And I show the money that I trade. I got no private investor. It's my money. I'm actually using my money every single time. Sometimes it's hard for people to... I agree. It is what it is, man. Controlling my emotions has been one of the best lessons learned. You promised to get rid of my trading post-traumatic stress, and he did it, people. Mental toughness. Thank you, Sam. Shout out to Will Rojo. Appreciate you, brother. Yeah, man, you just got to stay mentally tough, and they're going to try to shake you out of this market every single day. They're going to try to push you and pull you and mess with you. They're going to do everything they can to take you down, honestly. And what you have to do is you have to find yourself, your wholeness, your oneness. Come to your oneness and be. And know that no one can hurt you and take you out of this game. It is up to you and your emotions alone. Binance is integrating with Kira Network. That's pretty cool. Nice. So many channels to tell you to do some type of trade. Never actually do the trade themselves. No, they never do. Never. Send them super chats, people. Shout out to everyone out in the live stream. Thank you to all my mods. Appreciate you, people. Thank you very much. So Rev looking pretty nice here. And this could get you started on a bigger move to the upside. I've been talking about Rev. I put Rev on the radar before a lot of people. Wake up to your power. There you go. We are more powerful than we would ever believe. Multi-dimensional beings living in love and life. And I'll apologize. I was a little cranky this morning. I got a little crazy over the likes. Just wanted to see 100 likes so I could keep it moving. I knew people were going to get paid off my channel. I know people are going to make money. It's proven now at this point. At this point, I just want the respect, man. That's all it is. And that's not how you do it. You're supposed to just constantly be nice, and that's how I've been doing it for years. Had I started my channel the way I started it today, I wouldn't have 11,000 subs. So I made a mistake. All right, I apologize, and I'm human. I'll throw it out there and say, guys, I made a mistake. I should have quelled my emotions and kept a cheery face and been nice to everybody. I agree, but it is what it is, man. I've done it now. It is what it is. The cat is out the bag. All I could do is apologize and move forward. It is what it is. So. Rev USDT moving forward. You deserve respect, brother. You owe no one an apology. We got your back. All right. I still feel like it wasn't my best move. You know what I'm saying? I've played better. I've played better. And this is going to be a KuCoin gem, baby. Remember that, too. This is a KuCoin gem. Get that capital up into KitCoin. Nah, it was just a moment. I'm alienating right after the show, watching religiously. I get ready to watch every AM. Thank you for all that you do. Hit the likes. Yeah, send an email at cryptolifers@gmail, and we'll get you into the group. It was the measured move. Wake up to your power. This community will pull you through the volatility. It really will, man. Bisexual Samly. This guy's hilarious, man. Shout out to Kiko Lau, man. Appreciate you, brother. On a positive note, my Labradorite is coming in today. Can't wait. Dude, get your Labradorite. Keep it in the pocket. Keep it moving. It's got the abundance. It's even just when you look at it, it's dull, but then when you flash it, you're just like, where does it get the ability to harness the yellow, the blues, and all the awesome colors? Thank you. I found your channel. Glad to be a lifer. Shout out to Resto89. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Thank you for coming on in as we pump on through. Labradorite will save you. This guy, man. Shout out to everyone in the live stream. So, shout out to everyone here on the live, man. Why'd you have to do that? Can't stand when that happens. If I just make one wrong move with a window, it takes all my windows. It's so annoying, man. So annoying. How you doing, bro? Have you heard of Dago? Yes, we like Dago. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Appreciate you. Shout out to Jesse B up in the spot. Thank you for coming on in, man. Tiger Eye Stone, too. I love Tiger Eyes. One of the most beautiful stones in the world. The Tiger Eye Stone. My daughter showed me one yesterday. I was like, dude, that's a beautiful stone. Tiger Eyes, man. Tiger Eyes. Shout out to everyone here on the live. Thank you for coming on in, sharing your most precious asset with me, and that is your time. And that is your time. Crypto is life. Keep it crypto. How can I sign up for your tutoring? Sign up for the tutoring. It's right here in the link below of my videos. Check it out. Below the link of my videos right here. And you can hit a link to the tutoring right here, and that'll get you into my tutoring. It'll show you where my schedule is, and you can join my schedule. I am taking about a week off. I'm going to see family, so I'm taking some time off with the tutoring. So the tutoring will be kind of a little shortened for the next week. There's a link for tutoring under the system. But yeah, under the stream, jump on in, man. Jump on in. Iris also forming a bit of a cup and handle, ready to rock and roll. Put this on your radar. Similar behavior here with Iris. 4 hours looking nice and a lot of coins. 4 hours oversold on MS everything. It's a good sign, telling you there's something coming, there's something brewing. And this could be the cup and handle too. Sometimes the handle hasn't been made yet. Like, we still kind of forming it. So watch this play out. Remember, the 1 hour is extremely high. Look for this to come back down. 1 hour does want to reset. But it doesn't mean that Iris ain't ready to rock and roll. So wait for it to kind of do its thing. The trade will be, I can't pinpoint the trade for you right now. That's the issue. Like, possibly that might be the entry there. That might be the entry there. So if I tell you to get in here, you might get stopped. So the idea is you just want to be buying when it comes back down to the bottom of the pattern in this area. And you want to break it to the upside. So watch that Iris call. Watch Iris. This isn't a call. This is something you should recreate this. Put it on your radar. Make some support and resistance lines. And follow these lines. See what's going on with the lines. Match them really, really nicely. Right? Match them really, really nicely. And you're going to be able to take that idea and move forward with it. Okay. This is a cup and handle, ready to rock. 4 hours looking very, very nice. The 1 hour is not. So wait for the 1 hour to reset, and then this thing looks like it could do some serious damage, and it may not even get that low. I'm just projecting into the possible ideas of what could be happening. Okay. Earnable has the rewards on their website, so it can be listed on exchanges, unlike Baby Cake. Oh, I like that. I picked up some Everipedia for the hell of it this morning. Everipedia. Interesting. Send that super chat, Nicole Powell. I think C98 coin has a future. Should I mine C98? You know what? I've been hearing a lot of people talk about that. Someone made a lot of money on that too. Thank you. Do you take crypto for the payments? Yes, we do. We do take crypto for the payments. If you send in a payment, you'll get a coupon code that will then let you first email, say I want to pay in crypto. Once we verify the payment, we'll send you a coupon code, and then that coupon code will help you sign up to the Patreon, sign up for the tutoring. We also do it for the Patreon, or for the trading group. If you want to join the trading group, jump on in, send an email to cryptolifers@gmail.com, and we'll get you in there. Should we wait for the Bitcoin hourly stock to reset? Yes, that's what I've been talking about. That's the idea on everything. That's the idea on everything right now. So we're waiting for our trades to play out. Looks like about 5 to 7 o'clock tonight. We're going to have some good entries, and we're going to be able to trade into the night. That's what is setting up. I sent a super chat lifer on Earnable. You get 13% back in BNB, twice as much as baby cake. Earnable. Let's take a look at Earnable. What time is the GMT, please? I don't know what a GMT is. I think cake is undervalued. Should I invest for staking? What's your call? Hey, lifer, what time zone are you in? I am in NYC. NYC time zone. Earnable token on Twitter. Let's take a look at Earnable. Thank you so much, Crypto Greg. Thank you for all the love. Thank you for all the super chats. Thank you, Scott Lee. Thank you for the 2 big $20 super chats right at the beginning. I see you, Scott Lee. Thank you for the $20. Appreciate you, Crypto Greg. Thank you for the $20. Let's take a look at AMP for you. I forgot about AMP. Got a little sidetrack, so to speak. Earnable. Get paid to earn. Learn more about Earnable at Linktree at Earnable. Loading coin market cap. Interesting. Wow, our earners earned 543 BNB together in a week. You can be part of that. That's a lot of earning. That's not too bad. Website at their Linktree. Lifers to the moon. Shout out to Don't Save Her. Shout out to everyone here, man. Appreciate you, brother. Shout out to Larry Parmley. Shout out to all my peoples, man. Shout out to Jorge. Don't think twice, guys. Just sign up for tutoring. You will not regret it. Lifer will give you the tools to turn your trades much more profitable. Believe me, I've been there. Shout out to Jorge. Thank you very much for saying that. I appreciate you, man. Looking to cake monster. Water, please. Hey, Lifer, what time zone are you in? Or BNB rewards while holding Earnable. Join the Telegram. Buy on. It's pretty interesting. Buy on Pancake Swap. I'm going to head over to PooCoin. What was that? What did it do that for? There's the contract address right there. The contract address ends up at the top browser. Little trick I learned. Little trick I learned in the game. Shout out to everyone here, man. I appreciate each and every one of your likes. Thank you so much for coming on in. 7 p.m. in NYC, in midnight in the UK, people. Yep. I second that. Lifer is a beast with the tutoring. Shout out to Nathaniel Anderson. Thank you very much. I appreciate you, man. Shout out to you, Sam. Shout out to Mitchell Gring. Work sucks today. Do Adam or ETC today. I'll get him. I'll get him for you. PooCoin.app, not .com. That's my problem. PooCoin.app. Okay, we're going to just take a look at this contract address. I want to see what's going on with Earnable, what it looks like on the charts. We're going to take a look at Earnable on the charts, and it's booming to the upside. Wow, continuing up. It has not stopped. It's definitely going to get a drop at one point. $1.4 million market cap. That's actually a sweet spot to be getting into these when they got a $1.4 million market cap. Up 700% already. Gave back about... Sorry, up 7,000%. Up 4,500% already. And these coins boom out, man. I mean, that's how you make 4,000%. These coins make 4,000%. It's absolutely insane. 1 a.m. for me then. Thanks, brother. 7 p.m. in New York City. I second that. Lifer is a beast. Shout out to Craze Trades. I got it now. Shout out to Craze Trades, man. Hey, Lifer, what time zone are you in? Water, please. Should we wait for the hourly Stokes to reset? That's what I'm guessing. Not what I'm getting. That's what I'm planning for. That's the idea. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Thank you for coming on into the live. I appreciate you guys more than you would ever know. Thank you for hitting the like, man. Okay, so Earnable BNB. We're going over Earnable. A lot of times we go over coins, and next thing you know, they end up booming to the upside. Look what we see happening for Earnable too. It could be making a bit of a cool little pennant here. And boom to the upside. So watch for this. Quite interesting. Yeah. This thing could do some serious damage and continue to the upside. Only has a $1.4 million market cap. It gets to 10. That's a 10x. Easy. Throw $100 in this and just forget about it. What's the worst that can happen for Earnable? Very interesting, guys. Thanks for putting Earnable on our radar. I'll throw that to the Patreons. Just let them know. Earnable, high risk, high reward play. High risk play, Earnable. Earnable. And it's not ready yet, but it's getting close. It's getting close. Funny, there was a time that every single play we were making ended up being one of these tiny coins. I think once this breaks out of, it comes back down to the channel, and then this thing breaks out. 172% gains is just a slight measured move. Okay? Slight measured move there. Okay? Don't think twice, guys. It's all right. I got it. Type earn into Dex Tools, people. Into Dex Tools. Right here, though. Wow, look at the buys coming in for this thing. $12, $10, $30. Wow, people put $10 in this stuff. It's just crazy. Like what's the point? Like, you're gonna turn $10 into 500. I guess you never know. You know what it is? It's all about making little bits into bigger bits, and then continue to move to the upside. I get it, but $10? Like, really? You're trying to change your life with $10? I mean, honestly, anything's possible. And look at this. Thorium still looking good to me. This is a coin that's really still looking good to me. It's in a giant pattern. That's a retest right there. Thorium looks like it's ready to go for more, man. This thing could boom to the upside. Microcap coin again, $18 million in market cap. Booming to the upside. Bam, bam, bam. Bam. Got a friend that bought 5 BTC at 25 cents. Damn, man. I just wish I kept $10 in cash once in a while. 25 wasn't much also. Total supply is outrageous. 5. No, you have to remember, these are microcap coins. They all have a big supply. Don't worry about the supply. These things can fly. They're in deflationary and they burn their tokens, so don't worry about that. These are microcap crazy coins. We just look at them every once in a while, take a look at them, see what they're doing. And this could happen. And it's been holding a level for such a while that it's highly likely that it will play out. You know what I'm saying? Highly likely this could play to the outside. Thorium. High risk, high reward microcap play, though. High risk, high reward microcap play. Thorium. Remember, the contract address will always come up here in the browser. That's how they separate it. That's how they know where to go. That's how they write the script. Okay. Sam is in Colombia. Oh, that's so cool, man. I love that. I love that. Appreciate you guys on the big screen. I love that. Look, everyone's showing me where I'm at on the computer. Oh, look at what a beautiful day, man, with the window out there. Nice desk, man. Looks like a nice place to chill. Rocket Dog, what are your thoughts on the pole sacrifice? I didn't deal with it, man. I don't know why. I can't. Maybe I'll miss out. I just, you can't do everything, and it's just something I just didn't do. I don't know why. I don't want to say anything about anybody. I got my own ideas, and I don't know. I just didn't want to jump on it, man. I can't explain why, really. I just wasn't my ideal. You know? It's that simple. I really don't have an explanation. Maybe I was lazy and I didn't want to go sacrifice, you know? Could be that, you know? But I'm not a lazy guy, so it must be something. Don't forget, Lifer, to throw Earnable to your Patreon. We did that already. Do you play any crypto games, Lifer? No, I don't. I don't have time. Bull market could be back on very soon. It could be. Can you just put 10 or 5 down on ETH chain? That don't even cover gas. I know, right? This is the casino part of crypto. High risk, high reward, baby. It is. Aliyah. Shout out to everyone that left the Patreon, man. Not sure why you did it, but hey. I'm just messing around. We got so many new Patreons in the last 3 weeks. I appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you guys for jumping on in. I appreciate each and every one of you. So we're going to take a look at total and total too. This is total, the entire market cap. All right? The entire market cap. Now, what I looked at here, maybe the Lifer Gang meet up some on poker one day. Possible. If you can get me to stop working, good luck, though, doing that. My wife has a problem doing that. So, total 2. The entire market cap is still sitting at 1.5 trillion. You know, it went back down below, and it touched 1.41, which is beautiful. Came back, bounced up. That's a retest. Look, it broke out of the support. It retested, and now it's gone. I mean, pretty cool idea here. So, we look at the 1 hour. 1 hour is going to have to reset like everything else in the whole market. It could even double top. You could see a double top. This could get up and then bounce and be gone. And that would be the low, and then the 4 hour. So we're setting up for a nice tonight. Like tonight is setting up to be nice. Like I can feel the bullishness because we're just going to reset on the 1 hour, and then the 4 hour is going to carry us. So this is looking nice. I'm going to kind of make a pennant here, and this is what all the altcoins are going to follow this. Bitcoin's going to follow this, and it's going to take up the USDT pairs. You know, not every altcoin is going to be great, and the BTC pairs may have a bit of an issue. You're going to watch your BTC pairs because Bitcoin's going to rip, in my opinion. It's going to go on another move to the upside. Challenge accepted. Maybe the Lifer Gang meet up on some poker one day. Challenge accepted. Check Cake Monster. Send in a super chat. DV, type earn on DTEX. Yeah, I got 0.3 BNB in rewards in 1.5 days. That's a lot. That's a lot of money. That's crazy. That's like really good returns. Damn, man. I love BNB. So anytime you can get your hands on some BNB, great idea. Unbelievable idea. Is there a way to save PooCoin charts, or do these erase every single time? I think they do erase. Sometimes they do, sometimes they don't. It depends. Hey, Lifer, Cake Monster is worth looking into. You think we get 43K today or 42? It all depends. 139 people watching, 138 people on the live stream. Thank you guys for coming on into the live. Appreciate you. Send in super chats, people. Challenge accepted, right? All right. All right. Yeah, we still got to work at McDonald's. I love this guy. This other live streamer saying he still got to work at McDonald's. Wears a McDonald's hat. He's like, yeah, we got to make until we break above 42K. Once we break above 42K, I can quit my job at McDonald's. But I got to work at McDonald's while Bitcoin's down. You know, today we break 42 and hold. AMP flagging and squeezing, hopping back in, making 30% gains 2 nights ago. Get your OK on it. Let's go look at AMP real quick. This is on AMP on Coinbase, right? Right? Okay, so the 4 hours or low. I mean, I think it's just going to have a high 1 hour like everything else. So I would stay away until the 1 hour resets. It could reset pop right now. I see what you're saying. Let's take a look at it. Okay, it's cup and handle S. Let's go to the 4 hour. It's definitely a cup and handle right there. Like this 80s rock. It sounds like 80s rock music. It reminds me of like Mike Tyson or like, you know. So there's your cup. There's your handle breaking down. Now you want to do. So now we know there's a cup and handle. All right. So we know there's a cup and handle. Now we look for support and resistance lines. Support and resistance. If you could only use one indicator, what would it be? My brain. It would be me. It would be divergence. It would be divergence, which you have to kind of create on your own. And that's why I like it, and that's why I would use it. So I'd wait for this to come back down and bounce off of 6 cents even. I think it's going to come back down and bounce off 6 cents, or it's going to do something like this. Something like that. All right. Amp oversold on the 30-minute. Volume low, though. If Bitcoin holds 42K, I'll be really bullish. Oh, of course. All of us will. But even then, you won't want to... That's not going to be the move, because if Bitcoin doesn't hold 42K, anything could happen. All right. John Smith, morning live, quick TA on Doge. Shout out to John Smith. Thank you for the super chat. Let's take a look at Doge for you, man. Thank you very much. Let's take a look at Doge. Okay, everyone heard of Dino Swap? No, not yet. Shout out to Magnum Gang TV. Breaks out tonight. We retest all-time highs next week, guys. I'm calling it. You never know. You never know. CHA flagging on the 15-minute. Let's take a look. Amp oversold in the 30-minute. Okay, let's take a quick TA on Doge. So Amp, I would just wait on it when that one... I'd wait for the 1 hour to reset nicely, you know? It could flip up again, though, and just boom. I mean, I feel you. I feel you. It's getting close. 30-minute is ready to rock in your favor, so you could take that 30-minute call, and I think that might propel the 1 hour up to the upside. Amp on Coinbase, right? You can get this thing on Coinbase. I think you're right. I think it's going to boom to the upside. Let's take a look. Measured move on the 30-minute. So here's a 30-minute scalp for Amp. And then it could help you maybe stay in the trade later for a bigger move to the upside. Oh, way bigger trade than I even thought it was going to be. I didn't think it was going to be that big. So AMP could do some serious damage here on the 30-minute, and it could propel the 1 hour back up to the top and pin it a little bit while the 4 hour is ready to rock. So yes, you know what? 30-minute scalp on AMP, 30-minute entry, but it may end up being a 4 hour play, right? So the hot coins tend to be hot for like a couple days straight up. Like they stay hot, right? And that's the point, man, you know? So these coins stay hot and keep pushing to the upside. 146 likes, 134 people watching. Can we get the likes up to the watchers? I'd really, really appreciate it. And I apologize for my whack behavior this morning. It wasn't right. I could have been better. I should have just been happy and appreciative. I woke up on the wrong side of the bed, and it's not like the Crypto Lifer. Usually I'm super happy. I'm going on 4 hours of sleep. I think that's all it was. Just lack of patience. And if you guys can humbly forgive me, and I can be humble and open myself up and be vulnerable and say, hey, I made a mistake, man. I'll be better next time. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Thank you for coming on in and sharing your most precious asset with me, and that is your time. I just sent it into the Patreon so they know what's up. Shout out to everyone here. 133 people watching, 152 likes. The Cake Monster Protocol holds a huge amount of cake. That turns it into an important player in the market. Interesting. It's your show, your rules. Shout out to Jerry Class. Thanks. I'll keep you posted on AMP. Short-term trade. There you go, man. Yeah, but a round of golf cures all. Shout out to Nicholas Furr. There you go, man. Stop apologizing, broski. You shouldn't have to ask for likes in the first place. We should provide. You do enough. Thank you, man. I appreciate you. Yeah, but it's not how you gain. That's not how you gain a loving community. Someone who just met me would be like, what is that? Just made 21 in 5 hours with less than 200K volume. Just imagine when it gets to 255 million. Earnable. I know, right? I agree. I think I'm going to put 2 BNB into it. Yeah, Quant has 14 million supply and top 50 coin. Just being a human. Yeah, Kiko Lau, right? Dude, Quant is hot. I'm with you on Quant. Let's take a look at Bitcoin dominance right now. What is Bitcoin dominance? It tells you how much money is flowing into Bitcoin depending on the other altcoins. And we need this to kind of start to fall to the downside. We need this to flake on off. Now, look at this. I mean, it's forming a bit of a bull pennant at the top of a cycle here. So look at that, forming a bull pennant. That should break to the upside, right? And we'll see, is the 4-hour in our favor? No. So highly likely now, this drops down. This is going to tank. I want to see this tank. And when this tanks, the alts are going to run like you wouldn't believe. Look, little alt rally right there. It's going to be a bigger alt rally. There's more room in the pennant now. Look at that. That was a nice rally. We're going to have another rally to the downside. That was January all the way to... No, that was June to July, a little rally we had. About to have the same dump. Quant has 14 million, 12 million circulation, and a good project. More rest, bro. Come to Asia and relax after COVID. Remember, Lifer is only part bot. The rest is human, people. Good vibes. Great call. It is a good call. Kind of scared to ask, but please don't forget about my super chat from Multiverse. Thanks. Continue blessings. Little Smitty, you can ask anytime you want, man. I got you, bro. Don't be scared. Don't be scared. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Let's do a quick TA and Doge. Let's take a look at Multiverse AI, which I'm not even sure. I don't know where I can even track at. Let's take a look. Multiverse AI. Thank you for reminding me. I really appreciate it. Multiverse AI. Okay, so 49% gains today. Dang, we missed that one, huh? Jesus. Not to be confused with Multivac, which I almost thought it was for a second. Unify's growth pushes DeFi to 3 million total users. I thought it was way more than that. Damn, only 3 million of us in this game? Where can I buy this thing? Only on KuCoin. AI. Well, they got the AI. That's kind of interesting that they got AI. Everyone wants AI. But this is highly likely we're going to get a dump to the downside. Look at this. So today is going to be a little tough, just like we thought. But by 5, 6, 7 tonight, it looks like the altcoins and Bitcoin, everything's going to run, dude. I'm setting up for tonight. So tonight, when things start going crazy, when things are flying off the chain and it's getting insane, tonight's going to be the night, man. You're going to see some craziness, right? AY is Y Trading View G. Yeah. AI only. AI USDT. And there it is. Multiverse on KuCoin. Damn, I wish we hit it. I missed that beautiful bull. So look at this thing. Came down to the dumps. Possible bottom there. And no, we were wrong. And that's why I always say, when everyone's like, oh, is it done? I'm like, you never know. It could just... I needed to see it break above moving averages first. And see, once it broke above these moving averages, that was your sign. I wish I had my eye on this. I can't track everything. I would have had this one. What a beautiful pump to the upside. Booming to the upside. I don't like that song. I don't know why. It's just too commercially weird for me, personally. Right? Hey, guys, I got to get out of here in about 20 minutes because I got to drive somewhere. But stay tuned for more. All right? Hold me down. Okay, so look at this. AI, Multiverse, right? Let's see what happened. Pump, sideways, action. Same idea. You would go to the 15-minute. Whenever you see you can't get a lot, go to the smaller time frame and try to find a pattern, a pennant, and then get in at the bottom. And boom, you're gone, baby. Seems like it's doing it again. This thing may get ready for more. This thing is getting ready for more. Look at this. This thing's getting ready for a pump, man. I'm telling you. 1 hour is going to reset while it flags out. So just let it flag out on the 1 hour. And when it finishes its stuff, whatever it needs to do. Highly likely to pump back to the upside. Let's take a look. 4 hours pinning, though. Look at the 4 hour. That's worrisome. That's craziness. That's pinning. That's some serious bullishness on this coin. I mean, I would be taking profits, though, waiting for a pullback to support right around here before I even... Yeah, we'll see. You got to track it on a smaller time frame. Multiverse. Let's take a look at Doge for the man. Dogecoin, baby. Morning Lifer, quick TI on Doge from John Smith. Thank you, John. Appreciate you, brother. Let's take a look. So here's a call for Doge. And we nailed it. So here you go. I love when I get to look at a chart and you find another call of mine. Beautiful call to the upside for Doge. We gave this like 2 days ago. 19% for Doge. The highest possible gains were 22%. Bam. And so lately what I'm doing is just put this in an Excel spreadsheet. More gains in the channel, baby, every single day. Pumping. Now it's bouncing off support. Tells you that it doesn't really want to break that region again. So once I clear this up, I'll delete it and we'll get back into what I see happening here. But gains on Doge. And I've been adding this to an Excel spreadsheet kind of thing. If I can find it. And look at Rev starting to move again. Rev starting to move. And so the gains, man, they just keep piling up. And you just keep seeing them over and over again, right? So I just keep amassing them. And I'm going to do this every few days just so people can see the gains. But did I not take a picture of the gains? Or is this moving the image around? What's going on? There it is. Google acting funky. So you can just see, look, 12% in NANO in 5 hours, 33% on LTO. We nailed the call on Bitcoin, which helped us play all these 33% on Axie, 13% on TCT, 7% on Engine Coin. This is in 5 hours. I mean, this is intense, man. This is what hard work pays off every single day. I mean, you can't beat this stuff, right? So join the Patreon if you want calls like that. If you want consistency, join the Patreon, man. And if you want to learn how to do it yourself, get a tutoring session. I'll be there every second of the way. Can you check the storage trade from the Patreon? Yes, I will. Let's check that out too as well. I was all in on Friday. Sorry, I took out a loan because I didn't have enough. No worries, man. Kind of scared to ask, but please don't forget my super chat for Multiverse. I got you. Don't be scared. I love you, Ludo Smitty. Appreciate you, man. Nike Ninja, nah, you didn't sleep. That definitely was what it was. Chief, you're the best, man. Such a great man. It's okay, Lifer. We're all human. We forgive you. I know, but the algorithm doesn't, and I would have had 200 people watching, right? Like yesterday, we had so many people watching. I shot myself in the foot like a fool, man. I'm a gosh damn fool, man. I'm gonna beat myself up for a week over this. Is the gas going also made crazy gains the last days? The $sign in the chat box. I saw Green Velvet this past weekend. I love house music. Oh, that's awesome, man. How can I send a super chat? Best farming for ADA and Soul. I don't know. You might have to find that out on your own. I don't know yet. AI is in the U trading. Yeah, you gotta drive to your golf course. It's true, man. I gotta leave it at like 11. I gotta be there at 1 o'clock, so I gotta leave at 12. CHR looking nice. Let's take a look at CHR. I tried to wrestle it, and it stopped me out. I tried to wrestle this. I thought we were going to get in here. See, look. Stopped me out right there. Bam. And then they just banged it right back off support. Like, shady move right there for sure. So now, look, it's like, we could say it's almost, you could almost say, you know what, you could just extend the pennant. I've done this sometimes. Nah. There's a trade that didn't go through. One trade that didn't go through. Got stopped out. Not every trade works out, right? And that's why you keep a tight stop, right? And you add to the trades as you go and you ladder in so you don't get hit too hard. I lost 260 on that trade. All right, could have been worse, right? So now let's see what's going on. I got to go to the daily and make some support and resistance lines. All right. Quant, ontology. Let's take a look at ontology. So I put my support and resistance lines. That's what I do right off the bat. That helps me later on in the trade figure out where it could take profits, what's going on, and why we're getting hit and why we're not getting hit. Certain ideas like that. Possible cup and handle forming, right? Possible cup and handle, definitely a cup. Bull. We want to accumulate bulls. Remember, when you can bull the price out, you want to start buying the bottom of the bull. Once you see the right bull kind of start a formation like that, then you know. You're saying you could pay in crypto for the coaching. Yes, you can. Email cryptolifers@gmail.com and you can pay in cryptocurrency and we'll give you a coupon. Basically, you pay the cryptocurrency, we verify, and we give you a coupon, and then you can make an appointment on the scheduling website. Does that volume matter? I need help. Honestly, everyone says volume matters. They trade on volume. I honestly rarely trade on, it has to be there and it comes, but I get into trades when the setup happens. Like, I see where people would then jump into the volume. See what I'm saying? QNT and ONT. We got to look at Quant and ontology. We're going to take a look at both those puppies. And so, look. Let me grab a trend line here. And yes. We broke trend, popped to the upside, retested, popped to the upside again. Then we hit resistance, came back down for support. Not a bad place, right? Now we're sitting on support. Now we can see what's going down. Now look at this on the 15-minute. A cup and handles forming on the 15-minute. So let's go to the 1 hour and see what we see. Now I change my perspective, right? I forget my old course. And I see that this is what it's doing. This is the pattern, right? And this is actually a bit of a cup and handle here. Look at this. Look what I'm about to blow your mind. I'm about to blow your minds, guys. Look at this. Slight cup and handle here, right off the bat, right? And then if I zoom in and I look at this, it's another cup and handle here, a tiny one, which should be breaking to the upside as well. Pretty insane, huh? Look at that. Cup and handle, another cup and handle, booming to the upside. So let's look at the 1 hour now. What happened to all my stuff? Make sure you show more trades that didn't work out. Maybe you should show more trades that didn't work out. Cardozo. Okay, how many do you want? Okay, let's go through all of them. Let's go through all the trades I made last night and see what happened. Okay, so I gave you NEM last night. All right, it's right where we positioned it at. Nothing has changed. Actually, how about I show you my last 18 trades? How about that? Right? How about you want to see all my last 18 trades? And you want to see my win rate? That's what you want to know, right? You want to know, am I a profitable trader or not? How many trades work out? Interesting. Okay. Let's do it. Put me to the test. Look at my trader diary and let's go through my last 20 trades. You can fight me or you can love me. If you love me, you're going to make money. It's up to you, man. You can either disbelieve what I am or believe it's all real. It's up to you, man. And whatever your reality creates, I'd like to be around people that I think are real. So I think the people around me are real because I only hang out with real people. See how that works? So look at this. Look at this. 1, 2, 3. Even just take this chunk, and there's more wins above it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20 trades. 1, 2, 3 losses. 4 losses. Pretty interesting. 4 losses out of 20 trades. All right, so if you want to do that, you might want to get a tutoring session, or you might want to show up every day to the live stream. All right, that's very hard to do. Many people cannot do that, all right? Some trades are still open, fine. Like these 3 are still open, but every one of them are closed. And then look at the percentage that I won. I won 700 here. I lost 260, and that's 350. So I'm up 350 right off the bat. With another 300, that's 650. With another 750, with that, that's 1,000. That's 1,100. Minus that, we're back to 1,000. 33, we're back up to 1,200. 1,270. Now we're up to 13. Now we're up to almost 15. 17. Go down to 16. 18. 19. $2,000. $2,000, and since the 21st, it's the 26th. $2,000 in a week, less than a week. I mean, I made $2,000 in less than a week. I showed you exactly what I'm doing. If you did that for a living, you'd make $8,000 a month trading, right? It's not too bad. It's not too bad. It's $96,000 a year just trading, day trading. Never mind my long-term holds. Like I'm putting a lot of these profits into Phantom, which are then going to grow into even more money. And I'm showing you how to use proper wealth management. So I'm not only a trader, I'm showing you how to take the money that you make and invest it to do the right thing. But I'm just saying, like not many people can do that. Not many people can do this. I'm being dead honest. Like it took me years to get this good. It took me years to get this good, and I worked my butt off to do it, man. You know what I'm saying? So are you happy now? Are you happy now? That makes sense. It just seemed learning a lot to become better. Let the haters hate. You should have to show your results to know you're a profitable trader. Can tell you put in all that work, bro. Shout out to Mindset Trader. Fire in the booth. Mods, please delete the trolls, man. Anyway, CHR in a cup and handle, looking pretty nice on the call. I'm projecting this idea inside of the slight handle. See how we're projecting to? We create a path or an idea before it even happens. Risk management is key. Hey, from Unsafe Moon, we're migrating to the 1st of August. Stay tuned. Our use case is going to launch with an amazing contract structure. I'm still holding my Unsafe Moon, so you better get your butt working. DM me, man. Maybe we can work together. Crypto_lifer. We can revive the project, get it pumping. If I like what you're doing, if I kind of mesh with the dev team, then I can talk about it each day and get it moving. You have to get ready to go. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Thank you for coming on in. I show up every day for my future X job, and smash that like button. I know reading the charts by just what we are shown on the lives. Thank you. But this isn't financial advice, right? Don't forget the taxes you'll be paying with day trading. Save your money. Yeah, the 30 grand because I'll make 80 grand. What are you talking about? Man, you guys are ridiculous. Dude, paying taxes means you made money. I remember when I first had an accountant, right? I made enough to have an accountant, and I sat with him, and I was like, "Oh, but I was like, but I'm gonna have to pay this." And he looked at me, and he goes, "Why don't you make the money first? Then you can worry about paying the taxes." He's like, "When we have to pay taxes, that'll be a good thing. That'll mean you made money." Small mentality. You don't want to think small, man. Make money. Make money first. Then pay your. Then figure out. If you're paying taxes, you're making money. All right. Learn how to make a profitable trade. If every trade you have is a long-term trade, how are you ever going to pull profits? How are you ever going to learn how to sell? How are you going to learn anything? You got to go. Oh, anyway. So CHR looking pretty nice. Booming to the upside. I would watch it. Let me look at the 1 hour here on the template. Why is it doing this? Hold up. Oh, am I double clicked in there? No. Wait, something happened. Something happened to the setup here. Hold on. What a wacky day, man. All right, it's back now. I don't know what the heck happened. It's back now. All right. I would watch this really, really closely. 1 hour needs to reset, though. Look for your support resistance lines. We may hold this support region, or if we don't, we're going to come back here. One of these two, or back to the channel. You never know. Anything is possible. I wait for this. Interesting. Honestly, man, it may be kicking up. Look, see, the 1 hour's pushing right there. 4 hours ready to rock. This thing is pretty interesting right now. It's a little harder to trade than most. The structure is not perfect. Yeah, he covered Doge. JK, hey, pay the taxes. Did he go over ASX in the live? Anyone know? I joined late. Yes, I did already. Yep. Love the input. What up, lifer? Love the input. Shout out to everyone here on the live. Thank you for coming on in. Appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you very much. 148 people, 172 likes, man. You guys are rocking me out. Thank you very much. Appreciate you guys. Guys, I gotta call it a day. I gotta come out early. What I'll do is I'll probably come back tonight for you, and I'll do a live tonight just to kind of make up for the quick entry. We did go from about 10 to 11:30 though. A stock market crash will bring Bitcoin down. Yes, it will, but then everyone will run into Bitcoin and we'll be all set. Don, jump on board, man, before you end up broke. I appreciate you, brother. And we bought Bitcoin at 2,700. We'll be all right. Stock market crash still won't bring Bitcoin to 2,700. People will start running into Bitcoin harder than you would ever think. Stream tonight after 10. I'll be done with pizzas. LOL. Shout out to Rodney Robinson. Anything for you, my friend. I love you, brother. You give me more support, man. I really appreciate it, man. Really appreciate it. Follow me at Twitter at CryptoLifer33. I really appreciate that as well. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Crypto is life. Guys, I got to get out of here for the day. But I'll be back maybe tonight just for an update. And I'll be in the rooms with the Patreons. Stay up to date with what I'm showing you. Basically today, just hold off until about 4 or 5 o'clock tonight. You know, there are some trades that are going to pop off, but the majority of trades, we're waiting on Bitcoin. Bitcoin's going to reset. And then I think by 4, 5, 6, something between 5 and 8. I don't know exactly when. Around them, we're going to see some fireworks. Yes, sir. Tonight, we see you. We crush it together. Shout out to Angza. Later. Have a great day. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Thank you for coming on in. Thank you for sharing your most precious asset with me, and that is your time, guys. I'll see you on the next live stream. Thank you for all the super chats. Thank you for all the love. Appreciate each and every one of you. And $89.99 on the super chat. You guys rock out. Thank you very, very much. I appreciate you guys. That was very, very loving, very kind. Shout out to Crypto Greg. Crypto Greg, you had one more thing you asked me. Let me know. You asked me one more thing. I almost think I have something in my mind saying you asked me one more thing. Yo, Sammy is the real deal. Shout out to Michael Oline. Shout out to Harvey Kaplan. Shout out to CMAS. Shout out to Craze Trade. Shout out to Felipe. Shout out to William Ning. Shout out to Will. Shout out to all my peoples, man. Quant, QNT. That's what it was. See, my mind never lets go. It always holds on. It's like, wait, no. He was talking about something. Quant, booming. So look, this is my idea for Quant. Got stopped out, but you only lost 2%. Nothing, right? Or did we raise the stop to break even? Interesting, because usually I don't do a stop that low. You know? But something like that. And if you get stopped out, you get stopped out. Then you wait on and you get back in at another time. Not every trade goes well. The idea is to do proper risk management. Any trader who tells you that he makes every trade he's like a 98% win rate, like that's a little shady. You know? Like even mine's shady. Even when look at me like, how did you win freaking all those trades out of 20? And it's like, well, I'm super, super, super diligent with it. And I watch things like a hawk, you know? So Quant broke out to the upside, right? Got rejected by this high, broke back down, bounced off support. Now it's kind of ranging in this range. You take a look at the 1 hour. Again, 1 hour's high. So then you slap it into this channel here. Slap this into this channel. And Quant breaking to the upside. Beautiful thing, right? So look for it to come back down and retest this area here or go sideways in the 1 hour. Now, I would go to the 15-minute. I would try to flag it. Okay. Put it in a flag is what I mean. And I would watch this. If it stays in this flag for the considerable amount of time, then when the 1 hour comes back to the downside, it's ready to rock. I'm going to put an alert on this. I believe I'm going to be getting into Quant as well later on tonight. It's looking super hot. It's the coin to be in. Low circulating supply. I like what we're seeing here. Quant, baby, Quant. All right. Cup and handle forming there too. Look at that. There's your cup. Look at this. There's a beautiful cup and a handle ready to rock to the upside. Quant, baby. So I told you how to track it on the 15, 7-minute, smaller time frames. Make sure it stays in this. It doesn't break to the downside. We're getting tight moving averages as well. Let's look at the moving averages in the 1 hour. They are far apart, but they're going to convene. So I think this is going to go sideways a little bit till these get tight, and then boom, we're off to the races one more time for Quant. How much can you make from Quant? Let's take a look at right here. Now, don't long it right now. I'm telling you, wait for it. I'm just trying to gauge the percentage here. Quant. Interesting. Enjoy your day. Get some rest, and we will see you later. Shout out to Little Smitty. Shout out to everyone in the appreciate each and every one of you. Guys, thank you for being here. Please comment, like, and subscribe. Hit the bell for notifications. You can find out when I post my next video. Remember, if you came to the channel, then you're already doing the right thing. Crypto is life. If you need tutoring, hit the link to tutoring. If you want to join my Patreon, join my Patreon. I'll be doing 16 hours a day, busting my butt every single day for you guys, getting you in the charts, getting you into what matters, and making sure that you make gains every single day to pay for the Patreon and to get your life on the right track. Thank you guys for being here, guys. Please, I apologize. Even though some people say I don't have to, I do want to apologize because it's all about the love. It's all about the positive energy, and I love each and every one of you. And I thank each and every one of you for being here with me every single day. So as I end the stream, I'm going to say 1, 2, 3, crypto is life, like I do at the end of every live stream. So guys, thank you so much for being here. 1, 2, 3, crypto is life. And I'll see you on the next live stream.